You are going to learn the 5 letters Ta, Chi, Tsu, Te, To. The letter's consonant is T sound, so you add the 5 vowels A, I, U, E, O after T. However, we don't have a T sound and a Tu sound, so instead of T, we have a Chi, and instead of Tu, we have a Tsu. So it's gonna be Ta, Chi, Tsu, Te, To. Okay, so let's start writing. First one is Ta. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta, ta. Next one is Chi. It's not T, it's Chi. 1, 2, Chi, Chi. So the letters Sa and the Chi are very similar, so you need to be careful. So the next one is Tsu. It's not Tu, it's Tsu. 1. That's it. Tsu, Tsu. The next one is Te. 1. That's it. Te, Te. The last one is To. 1, 2. To, To. Let's review. What is this? Te. What is this? Tsu. What is this? Ta. What is this? Chi. What is this? To. Okay, so you learned the 5 letters Ta, Chi, Tsu, Te, To in this lesson. So next will be Da, Ji, Zu, De, Do. See you in the next lesson.